rearrange this equation to make x the subject. So that means you've got to have x equal something. Now we've got x showing up in two places at the moment. So what we need to do here is, let's just write it out to start with. 3x plus 5 over x. If I multiply both sides by x, I'll get rid of this fraction, which is a little complicated. I'll end up with xy on the left-hand side, because y times x is xy. And on this side, the 3x plus 5 over x times x, that x would cancel out. So this is what I get next. I've got x's on both sides. Let's get them on the same side. So why don't we do minus 3x on both sides of the equation. So I've got xy minus 3x equals 3x minus 3x is 0. So I'm just left with a 5 here. And x showing up twice here. I just want to have x by itself. So one thing I could do here is I could factorize by x, and I'd have x times what will give me xy, x times y, x times what will give me minus 3x, that would be minus 3. So let's just test this. X times y is xy, x times minus 3 is minus 3x, so I factorise that correctly. So now I'm going to divide both sides by this bracket. So let's come up here. X y minus 3 equals 5. If I divide both sides by the bracket, something divided by itself is 1, so that cancels out, and I'm left just with x by itself. And on this side, I've got 5 over y minus 3. Now, x is the subject of the equation.